What's up, everyone? Today, we're diving into a major transformation for a nameplate you definitely know, the Jetta. While many of us recognize the Jetta as a classic compact sedan, in China, it has actually evolved into its own independent sub-brand under the Volkswagen Group. Originally spun off in 2019 with local partner FAW, the Jetta brand was created to target the entry-level segment. Now, as Volkswagen shifts its strategy in China, Jetta is essentially picking up where the Skoda brand left off. The brand is currently pivoting hard toward new energy vehicles, which includes fully electric cars, plug-in hybrids, and range-extended EVs. The big news from Auto China 2026 is the global debut of the Jetta X concept car. This is an all-electric SUV that introduces a brand new design language called Modern Robust. It features a very distinct boxy and rugged off-road style that sets a new direction for the brand's future lineup. Visually, it stands out with a matte forest green body, a trendy floating roof, and, for the first time, an illuminated brand logo. Some are even describing the look as Rivian-esque because of its clean lines and short overhangs. Interestingly, the interior was not officially part of the main physical unveiling at the event. However, based on broader design trends and early previews shared by design leadership, we can suppose it will follow the current shift toward high-tech, minimalist cabins. It is expected to feature a simplified user interface that relies heavily on screens, likely including a large central touchscreen and a dedicated display for the passenger. The Jetta brand is aiming for a very competitive price point, targeting the entry-level NEV market at around 100,000 yuan, or roughly $14,500. This is part of an aggressive roadmap to launch 4 new NEV models by 2028, with the first mass-produced model expected to hit the market later this year. With these new products, Jetta is setting an ambitious medium-term goal of reaching 500,000 units in annual sales.